Today I'm going to show you how to make a detachable Lyft sticker using Velcro. First you will need Velcro and your Lyft package sticker, and perhaps another thing that you would put on your dash, such as an Easy Pass. Let's begin. Your Lyft package should contain 2 Lyft stickers. For me personally, I am going to cut the Velcro in half and put it on both sides of the Lyft sticker. I have decided to apply the felt side to the sticker and the other side to the dash. Now that we have applied the Velcro to the back of the sticker, we are almost ready to get riding. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just do the best. Now we are ready to go apply the stickers and the Velcro to the dash. Make sure to check your state requirements and laws to see if you're going to break the law. You have to put it on. You might want to clean your dash before applying to make sure it's clean for you and your customers. Now that's customer service. Now you can either apply the Velcro other side here and stick it on, or just stick it directly onto your dash, whatever you really want to do. When you want to remove it, you just remove it like that.